on the TV. TV চালু করা. Hey, can you turn on the TV? I want to watch the game. Sure thing. I will turn it on for you. Thanks. Can you also turn up the volume a bit? It's a little loud. Of course. I will turn up the volume for you. Wait, now it's too loud. Can you turn it down just a notch or just a bit? No problem. I will adjust the volume and turn it down a bit. This show is interesting, but I miss a part. Can you rewind it for me? Certainly, I will rewind the show so you can catch the part you missed. I've seen the commercial before. Can you fast forward to it? Absolutely. I'll fast forward to skip the commercial for you. Alright, I'm done watching for now. Please turn up the TV. Sure thing. I'll turn up the TV for you. Turn on the TV. TV চালু করা. Turn on the TV. TV চালু করা. Turn up the volume. Volume কিছুটা বাড়িয়ে দেওয়া. Turn down the volume. Volume কমানো. Rewind এর মানে হচ্ছে পেছনের দিকে যাওয়া. Fast forward এর মানে হচ্ছে যে দ্রুত সামনের দিকে যাওয়া. Turn off the TV এর মানে হচ্ছে টিভি বন্ধ করা.